Ag Day is brought to you by FBN Finance, experienced loan advisors putting farmers first with farmland rates as low as 4.99%.
Grains finally seeing some support on Thursday thanks to better export news, including corn sales that were up 42% from the 4-week average. Soy oil also hit a fresh multi-year high. Ag Day's Michelle Rook has more from this year's Ag Industry Day in Grand Forks.
Thursday's market closes were all higher in the grains. Allison Thompson is joining us with the Money Farm here from the CHS Ag Industry Day. All right, let's talk about grains. Big up day. How much of this has been pushed by this rally in the energy market?
A lot of it. I think energy being up here in levels that we haven't seen in a couple of years is something that obviously attracts some buyers to commodities. So we've seen them go into metals, now we're seeing them come into oils and likely into grains too, just because of that correlation with biofuels. So it does give us something to work with, and to see that grains are following crude even with the US dollar being higher, it's really good to see that we're trading some true fundamentals here of the market.
Do we get broader based buying by the fact that maybe this is an inflation hedge against inflation, the grains are?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, when oil goes higher, that's basically what we're starting to price in, and why the markets have been behaving the way they are is because we're seeing inflationary concerns come back. And that's not really surprising. I mean, we've seen the stock market fall down and we've seen the dollar go up. They're thinking we're going to keep rates higher for longer now, maybe not seeing as many cuts. And with that, usually in times of inflation, we do very well in grains. So I think that we're seeing some of that follow through in the market here now.
We still have not gotten above big breakout levels, though, in terms of resistance on the charts for corn, beans, or wheat yet, have we?
Well, we're getting there. We're really getting there, especially on the new crop. For December new crop, we did have a really good close today, and honestly, from where we closed, above that 472 area, we don't have much resistance here until we get to $5. And even on the soybean side, we've been really targeting getting, breaking above those highs from last fall, and 1140 would get us there. So we are touching some very key levels. That'd be really good to see momentum continue on.
All right, thanks so much. That is Allison Thompson with the Money Farm and Markets Now.